Hey guys, what's up? It's time to unbox 2 packages from Evil Energy. Let's get into the main shebang first off. Even gave you gloves for installation. So this is a fuel pressure regulator. Gave me an Evil Energy, I think this is a sticker. So included in the package is the fuel pressure regulator itself. Build quality is nothing short of amazing. Will make for seamless installation. Then we have the fuel pressure gauge. Looks like this one is a 1/8 NPT, I believe, port. Could be BSPT, but I think it's NPT. And then we have a various assortment of fittings and hoses. I'm not going to be using the hoses. It's the fuel rail adapter, I will not be using this. Look like O-rings for said adapter. Once again, not going to be using it. Then we have our ORB 6 to AN6 straight fittings. Won't be using these. 2 90-degree ORB 6 to AN6 fittings. Once again, won't be using. These are the 2 I will be using. This is an AN6 to AN6 angle fitting, and then an AN6 to 3/8 barb fitting, since I am using the rubber hose that came with my old fuel pressure regulator. And of course, last but not least, we have the mounting bracket and another little small hose. Once again, won't be using. Time for the second package from Evil Energy. We have another Evil Energy sticker, and then we have an AN6 male to 5/16 barb fitting for the right angle adapter. Just fair warning to you guys, this is my first time ever actually using Teflon tape, and so you may cringe at this. I think that should be good enough. One other thing I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to flip the top part around so that the vacuum line is facing this way. The regulator is now ready to install. So it is about a month later. Evil Energy regulator is in. I've been lazy on doing an update to this, so here's the temporary setup. Let me go ahead and prime the pump and then start her up, see what you guys see. I'm not sure how well you guys can see it, but it's at 34 psi. Let me give it a few reps. See the pressure slowly goes up. It all works well.